Class 11th, Subject Accountancy, Chapter 1, Lecture 5. Good morning, students. Today we will study about the types of accounting and users which are interested in accounting. So let's start our topic. First one is types of accounting. There are 5 types of accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, and social responsibility accounting. First of all, what is financial accounting? The main purpose of this branch of accounting is to record the business transactions in a systematic manner. Means to ascertain the profit or loss of the accounting period by preparing a profit and loss account, and to present the financial position of the business by preparing a balance sheet. So this branch of accounting provides information required by management and various other parties. Fine. Means financial accounting helps the business to record the transactions in a systematic manner and to ascertain profit and loss of the particular accounting period. Second one is cost accounting. The main purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. Fine. Means its purpose is to know the total cost and per unit cost of a product which is produced in that business. So it also estimates the cost in advance and help the management in exercising strict control over cost. So cost accounting helps the management to control cost. Third one is management accounting. What do you mean by management accounting? The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way as to assist the management in planning and controlling the operations of a business. Means management accounting helps the management to plan and control the activities of a business. The management accountant use a lot of techniques to use this data in a presentable manner. This technique include ratio analysis, budgetary control, cash flow statement which shows the cash position of the business. Budgetary control means we prepare budget for the particular accounting period. Fine, etc. Our next point is tax accounting. Tax accounting means the branch of accounting which is used for tax purpose. Fine, such as income tax and GST. GST means goods and services tax are computed on the basis of this accounting. Fine, this is the purpose of tax accounting. Our next point is social responsibility accounting. The society provides the facilities without which the business cannot operate at all. So, the business also has a responsibility to the society. How? Because who is buying the product of the business? Society. So, it is also the responsibility of a business to the society. So, there is a growing demand for reports on activities which reflects the contribution of an enterprise to the society. So, social responsibility accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating the contribution of the business to the society. Fine. Such as we can say they provide employment to underprivileged, provide financial and manpower support for public programs, product safety, product durability, customer satisfaction. This all include in social responsibility accounting. So, social responsibility accounting techniques have been developed for measuring the contribution and benefit to the society. Fine. So, all these were types of accounting. Now we will study about the users of accounting. Users of accounting information. Number one, internal users. Number two, external users. Internal users are the persons who have a direct interest in the business enterprise, such as owners and management. Who are the owners? Owners contribute capital in the business and they want to know about the profitability and financial position of the business. So they also want to know whether the profits are increasing or decreasing. What are the reasons for increase or decrease in profits? What is the value of the assets of the business? All such information is provided by accounting to the owners. Fine. Second one, management. Management need accounting information for the efficient and smooth running of the business enterprise. Management need accounting information by published report of the business such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. So, most of the needs of management are met by published reports which are prepared to meet the specific requirement of the management. So, these reports provide the information about what type of interest creates management to involve in the business. They want to know about the cost of the product and the speed of increase in the cost of production and profitability of each product and reasons for increase or decrease in sales and profit. All such information is provided to management due to accounting. Fine. So these were the internal users of accounting. Now external users of accounting. Number one, potential investors. Potential investors need information to judge how safe the proposal investment will be. The investors always want to know about the profitability of the business. So they should get to know about that their investment is benefited to them or not. Fine. Second one is short-term creditors. Short-term creditors include suppliers of goods and services on credit. They also want to know the credit worthiness of the business. So, they want to know whether the amount owing to them will be repaid when due or not. They also want to know that they should restrict the credit to the enterprise or expand. So, accounting provide help to all these type of creditors. Long-term creditors. Long-term creditors such as financial institution. They also want to know about the principal amount and interest thereof will be repaid to them or not. For this purpose, accounting helps them to provide the financial position of a business. Next one is tax authorities. Tax authorities need information for the assessment of income tax, goods and services tax, etc. Fine. Next one is government and their agencies. Government and their agencies need information to form policies relating to taxation, allocation of resources, and for providing subsidies to the business. So accounting helps government agencies by providing the financial data to the government. Fine. Next one is social responsibility groups such as environmental protection groups. They need information on the impact on environment and the steps taken by the enterprise for the protection of environment. Fine. Next one is public. An enterprise affects the public in a variety of ways such as provider of employment, provider of facilities to the society, being the customer to local supplier. So public at large is interested in knowing the future plans of the enterprise. Public also want to know the future plans of the enterprise, because if they are the customer of the enterprise, definitely they will be getting to know about the increase or decrease in the cost of particular product. Fine. Next one is competitors. Competitors want information on the relative strength and weaknesses of the enterprise and for making comparisons. So accounting help all these internal and external users to provide the data for the financial position of the business. Means so that they should get to know about the financial position of the business. Fine. So your homework is to read both the topics, users and types of accounting, and to note down in your notebook.